What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I guess we need to start the car. We're not in my pocket, but that's what we're getting. That checks out. Let's try this again. We'll put the key into said keyhole. There we go. Success. Alright, so today we're gonna make a pretty quick video. We have a, why is that still, I mean, it doesn't matter what angle I put this thing at, there's still that, like, it's daytime. Why is that glare there? It's so dumb. What if I just, I can, but that seems sketchy. If it falls, it falls. What's going on with my hair? Anyway, we've got a cool video today. We have a box to open. I'm pretty excited about it. I've been waiting on it for a little while. What this is a box from our new sponsor. Built to Offend is one of our new sponsors. And this is their sponsorship box that you get after they approve you. And they give you like a discount code, and it drops. It's like a $120 box, I think, if you just ordered it on its own. But with the code they give you, it's $30. So after you get approved for their sponsorship and you pay the $30 for the box, this is what they send you. We're gonna record it from the car for a couple reasons. One, the inside of my house is gross, and I definitely have not been cleaning things like I'm supposed to. Bailey is cooking, and James is playing the Xbox in the living room, so it's really just total chaos in there right now. The second reason that the reason we're not recording it in the garage is I've made zero progress on restarting that. Also, we gotta get some heat going in here. I'm sure you can hear it, you can see it too up here, but it's raining. That rain's cold, it sucks. So anyway, we're gonna tear into this. I don't have scissors and I left my knife inside. I'm sorry, this isn't gonna look pretty. Oh Lord, that plastic is thick. Ugh, there we go. Alright. So what they send you is a FedEx box. $3 for a FedEx box. Let's see what's inside of this. We will find out together. Alright. We have the shipping label. We have what looks to be a Built to Offend lanyard. That's pretty sweet. I needed a new one, actually. We have this sweet Built to Offend. Let's see if we can. There we go. License plate frame. I think they have a bunch of different ones of these. I think they just randomly select one and put it in your box, because they have like 20 different versions of it. They all say different things. So we have sweet sweet Built to Offend shirt. I may actually put that on here in a minute. And then we have this it's going to be really hard to, there we go, giant Built to Offend, like a windshield banner. So that's cool. However, it is raining, so we're definitely not putting that on right now. We'll roll that back out and put it back in the box so nothing happens to it. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, nice. Here we go. smaller, I gotta turn it over so you can see it, a smaller Built to Offend decal. That's actually, it looks really good. I don't know how well that picks up on camera, but it also has like that old Constitution font to it that looks really good. And then they have this one that is also really hard to see on camera, it looks like. That's like almost a version of the old Playboy bunny, I think. Yeah, it looks like everything that was in the box. So, I do have some other stuff ordered from them that I think is supposed to be here tomorrow. I'll show you guys when we get that. Let's put the stuff back in the box. I may put that on the truck, actually. I don't know. Sweet and Leonard. A couple of new stickers. You can never go wrong with stickers. Everything I ever order, I hope there's stickers in. Put the shirt in here. Even if it wasn't a sponsorship box, it's a lot of stuff for $30. Anyway, I really appreciate Built to Offend for sponsoring. I guess you would consider this a build. My financial mistake. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to working with them. I really like some of the stuff they have. They seem like really cool people. And there's something else I was going to say. Discount code. I'm going to put the discount code on the screen here, so if any of you go to their website and find anything that you want from them, use my discount code and save yourself a good bit of money. So anyway, like I said, just a quick unboxing video. We'll do another one when I get the other stuff in. And what are we at, 7 minutes? That's not bad. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody that has joined us recently. I have several new people that have joined the channel. I really appreciate everybody that likes and subscribes anything that I do. I know I say this like every video, but it still blows my mind that anyone wants to watch anything that I put out, even if it is, I don't know, I don't even know what we're up to now. Pretty sure it's still less than 100, but even that blows my mind. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to every single one of you. Thank you in this case to Built to Offend. And see you guys next video.